if you want to see how I created this waist bead set, this is Labradorite and Citrine crystals with a little bit of pearls. Stay tuned. We're going to get into the create with me. Alright, so I am actually about to start making my Queen Life, and oh, I'm sorry to even say hey. Sheesh. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Okay, so I'm about to set up for my Queen Life and Ankh Life set. So I was like, let me just take y'all through how I set up. So Queen Life has Labradorite, so I grab my Labradorite crystals, and Ankh Life has Citrine, and then I also have my other crystals that I put into there also. I have everything laid out that I need for this project. I have my crystals here, I have my bead colors, so I'm about to secure my waist beads for a start and about to get into it. Set up for the Queen Life and Ankh Life waist bead set. It is Citrine and Labradorite crystals. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my waist bead, secure it, add my lobster clasp and crimp bead to secure it. Finished our waist bead. I'm gonna show you how to add a charm. So I have my charms with jump rings, and I have my charm here. I'm gonna attach my charm and close it back. And that is how I attach my charms. So this waist bead is all done, you guys. This is my Ankh Life waist bead. Oh, this one I want too. See that rainbow? Okay, honey, don't play with her. Okay. It's pretty. So next I'm gonna make the Labradorite waist bead.